stick it. If you're eating like you're getting. Only they cook, Scooby? Only they cook, try one. Cool. Secret spot round at the back of one part where y'all can come and hang out.
Food a must, but a long time we don't cook on fire.
Three dumpling, 2 pieces of yam and 2 banana are ready. Cuties, we are going on the beach. A Joker River, we are going. People as you hear me, you get up. What's wrong with you, my peppy? My baby girl, hi. Look, one more cup there. We're going to Cuties, we'll get ready, we'll cook. Look at the our cook today. We got Grove River. Look at the father, Mama River. Look at the father, our local business on the river, so we're going to go and party and swim and...
Hi, Cuties.
Hi, Cuties. Anyway, let's go. Birdie not ready yet. I am the first already. Can y'all believe that? Can y'all believe that?
First, I think I'm ready for round of applause.
Round of applause. Carry him back for you.
Ready, anytime they take the pot them.
Yeah. Your brother carry the pot there?
Yeah, I make it.
That big.
Where back there?
I'm going to close the there, so I'm wash.
Oh, that.
No, you have to separate.
I already take out one pot.
Emma, where you carry? Where your shoes there, Emma?
I make Emma carry the bottom part. Nothing in there, let me see. You know she's miserable already.
And Birdie says she grew the miserable.
Can't find one?
The shower cap, not the
shower cap last night.
No, ban that.
So one here, Emma.
Emma, auntie care like you one.
And the fun right as the last night. We'll pull it. So one here. Jesus Christ, picking them miserable. What should they? All this.
So guys,
You're so miserable. Come on, man. Eh? What should I want you know? Yeah, so you're just for the cross guy road?
No, oh, I'm fine. No, I'm not.
Well, I'm pity I was stressed out, you know. Let's go, man. So this is what it feels like to wait for people. Yeah. I don't like waiting on people. Boy, Cuties. Jesus Christ. Yo. Boy. Already? Scotty! Yeah, what going? How much for Guinness there? I'm going to pick some Guinness, guys. Oh, you know that burns? Oh, you can take the black bag in a black beach bag? You can't bring one pink one to match my shoes.
Black one, I can.
With a... Bamba! Oh, I'm smart, sir. You don't have to do so, you waste the whole of the ice. Ice no carry germs. So some more, so our next big one though for this stuff. Bird, we have in the coal. Anything cool, some cool. Anakin, you have Anakin? A red stripe. Take that, give me.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, sorry, babe. There. Thing good? Why? What bad video? Oh, yeah? Why? Your car mash up?
No, take back them car.
Then take back. I think I your car.
Oh, my
Yeah. Can't manage. That she need me the most. Well, listen to me. Say that I'm not a substitute lover. Oh, yeah, come in here, whenever. There's someone to see. Could be a chair one come up, but the man come in there carry when the chair down, so the back part, the part here. So that them Zoe can go in Emma lap. Emma can go in Zoe lap, whichever way. When the lap up, man. Or someone know go what? You want what? No, you don't want what? When I forgot lap up, you know. Emma, come around here so with me, Emma.
Oh, is Emma for come around here so with you?
And that means say, Emma going to Zoe lap. Let me put up that chair here. Hold on. Oh, this is
You can't go up, so dry it up, dry it.
Oh, the back part, come up.
You want me in here, lap?
Come up in her lap. Come up in her Zoe lap. Where you go up in her Zoe? Emma, Emma, you can't. You put Zoe in your lap, you're mad.
She don't want a belly by the time we are coming.
So your birthday are going?
Oh, you hurt yourself, you know? I don't mean say, mommy, Zen going to mommy lap. Zen going to
Come on, Zen. Come on, may I put Emma in my lap?
Sit down in the
Yeah.
chum. Look at it.
Zoe, you go
Hold them
put
here.
Emma road. Yeah.
No, Emma, tell me come in our lap. You not here, come in.
Look at it. Look at it.
No, Zen.
Look at it. Sit down in the chum. Sit down in the chum.
Be the chunk for.
Go, go. A good thing, I drove where I go.
A grover.
Mama River.
Where you go? Sit down.
Mama River, where I go. Pass this. Hello, I think Emma there going to love. Show the plate round here. Show the plate over here, sir, birdie.
Empty can I have my phone on the tripod?
Yeah, I think something like that.
Look at it in the chum.
Look at the
Of
eye.
course, we'll cock up.
AC now work. Then what time are you scooping? Turn up the AC for that. Bro, you not feel the breeze.
I'm not going to spend so fast. I'm going to
The motor heating at this backside.
Put down the window.
Somebody give the camera now.
Auntie Kayyan, man.
Come, you're there at the back.
Jesus, please.
It depends on you, yes, sir.
You know me not like them something.
It no matter, so you hold it round so.
Turn the camera and make it see you road.
See, they turn, so you have to make sure it depends on the right. Look on the screen now, look
Yeah,
where you
yeah.
look on it now. Make me an edit and see no foolishness.
I'm here, man. Melanie. What? What that? What that? What? Me a circle, me a circle, man. The place active, man. Road, man. Go on a road, man. Road around a river. Round a river. Yeah. Scooby, free the road, Scooby.
invite me. Invite me.
Can't take the people them I love, so the foreigner them and come begging her.
Hey, Scooby, come on, tell everyone now.
Scooby, free up the road now, Scooby.
No, Scooby.
Bag of chatting, brother. Road. Yeah, man, I say people them stay on my side. They love to the foreigner them and beg. You see me? So as them see her, them a beg. Bread. People must have wondered with me there. They left me in a chunk pack.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's little sister. I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's little sister. I'm not.
She frightened. She frightened as well. Yeah. The community of Mam River. Yo! It's gonna be a madman, you know? Brother, go and let them off and make me a turn back now. Go, go! So far, up a river. Alright.
Yeah, don't get sold. I'm just a nice girl.
No, about progress, my bro. Everywhere you turn, be a bush. Scooby turn, Scooby dog up, make them go on. Make them come out and go on, brother.
So, make them go around by them.
No one go on, we go back our village, go buy the things them. What we buy?
Mommy, I'm going with them or you stay with me?
Out the road and go and go do one of those.
No could never leave you out the road. You don't walk come on.
And the game, but you tell me I walk from village.
True. But you were privileged today we have care. Alright, anyway, let's go buy the things and come back. Cuties, you don't see the chef father a while ago? Big, look at them sit the chef father. Yeah. The camera in the bamboo job? Yeah. I'm not getting for sit the shit, daddy.
Give me that girl for but you not
So what we are cook? What we are buy for cook, by the way? What we are buy? I don't know.
So the birdie pot them now?
So that's why I come with no we just buy the food and come. No, I'm carry them. We are gonna buy the food and come. Yeah.
Alright. May I come?
Bye!
For the river there? Want the number for the place that I sell. I'm gonna actually $1 them and sell it for the house for sale. Take a picture. Take a picture of the camera.
0.68 acre, you know.
Development land with private property access. River access, eh?
Enough you call it,
2.6. Cuties, you know how I buy this. No, could buy this and make some money, no? What is land, you know? No, and only the land in us could be. Remember, so what if a big house and big pool are sitting in the land? Damn, Jenny's jerking me could buy it. Rich with that. We never pinch at the money there with them people are going off at the place there. Cuties, with a gun town, we get Scooby, you always have the load something in a vlog them. They can't lock off. But you always have it on anyway. They say ice up Scooby.
Yeah.
So we can buy the ice up Scooby party or to the European.
Yeah, I can buy. I think that's 700 man.
Yeah. You want to say hi to everybody in the camera.
Bimbo
Anyway,
place.
with a Bimbo place, yes, sir? Bimbo own one, yes, sir?
No, it doesn't have
Ice place. I want to buy this.
so banana. We're not going to banana.
Of course, you can get some banana. The dumplings we are cook. I'm a little fiber here. What you choose? You walk down the road.
You can shut him on the rascal dress. I like a dirty piece of body.
Oh, what's your name, daughter? What's up here, there? What's up, baby? Everything good? Thanks. Scooby, you have something? Huh? Hype no make no sense. I would, yeah, man. Hey, you know about me drink, right? Alright. What's up, baby? You just look the same way, so you just get young and fresh. Oh, wow. Yeah? That's good. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Let me say Cuties with our Kayanntoocute. We get some food for go cook on the river. We end up going to the river and buy the stuff them, so we'll just get them. We get some banana. I'm not sure what kind of meat we are cooking, but the pepper them look at you, man.
How much you pepper them?
6 to 1.
6 to 1? 6.
I get some banana and pepper. You get onion for me, too?
Yeah. Give me 2 onions. 4 of them. A dozen, huh?
Yeah.
So you can tap it up, man?
It tap up, man. No, 5 1.
If I even want it top up.
Give me 2 onions. So I'm going to have 6 pepper, sorry.
You know a little bag though? Yes, one bag, yeah. Just put the onion
So
in
a piece of
the
yam, that. How much is a piece of yam?
A piece of yam,
Yeah,
give me
yeah.
$5.
Yeah, give me.
The whole of bottom of the yam is good enough.
No,
Piece, good.
show you so.
They good?
A 50 pound come and sell and everything done. You know. Me not sell food in it.
Okay. A yellow yam?
White yam.
A white yam?
Low.
You want it?
Yeah.
The yam they nice.
Say me I get $4 of it.
Eh?
$4 I get it.
I keep on the way up. You know. No man, I tell you what I put on the Bible. You know me. I keep on.
And 400.
$400 a pound for you anyway. Look how much.
And wait,
$5 I keep on the way.
So how much you say one feet?
So give me 9 bid.
900?
900.
So you go for 5 to 9.
Yes, I give 5.
Let's say give you
No man,
5.
it can't work.
Alright, listen, I said, give me, I get 5. No matter what.
No man, it can't sell that 5, but I keep on
Alright,
it.
$600.
You want one pound before?
No, man, go on the water. I get 600. Don't get
No, not it. Never lose.
See me tell you, say short on banana. This one it doesn't. Just cool off, man. Stop
Let me give
checking
you
our
3
toes.
pounds. The cooler man.
I'm not checking our toes and a beating brain. Checking our toes and a beating brain, sir, brother. No. So yes, 5 days here.
No, we can't say. You can give it to each other.
8 bills.
9 bills.
Was.
A $400 pound, right? You can't repeat it. You still have your pound.
So get one scanner bag now, you need a
I
bag.
want your bill. I don't want to give it. You get 1 pound.
I wish I know each one I come from.
Married.
That's why, man.
800, 400,
Could be a stress out the poor man.
4 bill. Get it.
100 more.
No? Are you picking me $100?
It's going to be an area robbery, the man up there saying. But so we are going to the river and cook some food. We want to Grove? I'm on River Grove. Are we sure to win this, Scooby?
Some people that do?
Yeah. Scooby.
Give me 6 pound of chicken back.
6 pound of chicken back. Yeah.
6 pound of chicken back.
Abby.
One brownie. And give me some seasoning.
All-purpose chicken seasoning. And one jerk seasoning.
All-purpose seasoning. No, that's a while ago.
Chicken seasoning.
When you come
All-purpose chicken seasoning and jerk seasoning.
you hear that? You hear all that seasoning? Eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
But the and the 6 pound. And give me
I know your juice at now.
4 pound of flour.
No, brother, my juice, brother.
No. Where chicken back then? No. So when where chicken back? Give me 5 pound of flour. Madam,
So much for flour? 5?
4 pound of flour. Then nothing.
On the mixed flour, babes?
No.
Okay. No, me don't ask if you mix it with like caramel, not. What do you mean counter flour? What that mean?
What do you mean by counter
What
flour?
counter flour mean?
All-purpose
That's
flour.
enough 4 pound.
How much is?
That I make like about 2 pound.
We can't get regular flour. A regular flour this? Give me regular flour. I don't want that. I don't want
All-purpose, you must say. 4 pound of flour?
that. Yes, could be one more 4 pound of flour. Yeah, give it that. That good.
And give me pound of caramel. Caramel.
Wagwan. You have put caramel in there?
You don't want caramel in there, don't you?
I don't like caramel dumpling, but
Alright, how about the caramel? Straight flowers is sure. They're buying.
everybody has top all that, but
Yeah, man, you say buying up.
I must have said I can't shit all the time.
Jesus Christ, man.
And on my mouth.
Yeah, man, give me the... Yeah, man, that's 2 bars, man. I know.
Scooby know what I'm buying right now.
Oh, when I ride bike, I have to bend up to the car. So that's the Rasta. Think post start sealing, isn't it? Smooth.
Smarter.
Bend up thing. Come here.
I'm sorry, babe. I want Heineken now. I want little Pepsi. I want them to carry one, but then again, no. It's fine.
You want a sweet pepper? I want
You don't need no sweet pepper.
Alright, let's do 2 tomatoes.
2 tomato.
That's it.
I'll scale that time.
Something happen like that.
Like when it happened,
Yeah, realize.
it looked like I do it already. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
That's what happened a while ago. Like a little deja vu moment. Anyway, Cuties, we walk up on the river, you know. Jesus, man! Say excuse me. That's all you do, I drink the Pepsi and Belgium and talk about Pepsi. That's enough. I don't know where I go. But right, that me I say. I just found that far something there, you know. Oh, yeah, pass me. Yes, Scooby, you know, say yesterday, you know, say the river them want to wash out, right? You know, say it's not because the rain now fall while the river now wash out, or because all the river them block up. So the river them now get for run. So yeah, like sorry baby. Tired? Yeah, mama. You get what me I say, Scooby? Yeah, every hole block up, so every hole just stay still. Hi! Huh? Hey Cuties, oh you watch it? Oh, thank you. Damn, we got Cuties off in the hill. That is awesome.
I wish for my boy everybody.
Which one? Me don't know. Ricky and Dicky. Run this sir. Backside. What? Huh? Hello. Oh, Jesus. I'm tired already. Cuties, gonna see how far. We'll come see Cuties. That is so nice. We're up in the hills. We got Cuties up in here. Hi.
Hi, sweetie.
Ooh, mind your eye, baby. Can't breathe. I think I got my 10,000 steps in for the day. Yeah. Oh Lord, them are playing music. Reach.
If your ex married, don't wish him the best.
What did you say?
Say jump and should have pies here.
And don't you say we are cook out there, sir? Out there, sir? It's time to pull out the water camera. Brother, you got that water with the camera?
Why me fun?
No, because you're a big swimmer.
Look here now.
Yes. Yes. And that's the camera for you? Look for your baby father?
Look for your body.
22.
When you breathe for you?
22 year old, they could be at 22.
But I think you're first man.
First body, take your body.
First man, yeah. My dear, I love the dead, move. You can't tell me nothing.
So we are talking about something where I'm not existing.
I love the dead.
Some non-existent things we are talking.
I want to care, I want to go.
How would my own?
If you're pretty and don't sing.
Which part them there? Which part them there?
A riverside is late. So on the camera.
Do you say for Ronnie, I'm like the blood clot. What? What the next camera there? What the water camera there? How you want birdie tree set today?
It's going to be a certain me and Dickie Park with me and little father there. Me and little Pitney here. Little Pitney. Remember I said Zoe and Remember I said Zoe and a 7.
Nothing trades this week? This is what you've been hiding?
What happens if
Yo, the man say, yo, me is still there, you hear that?
Using you.
I start looking for trades.
So me can
Right
run
away.
at night time.
And when I find one, I send it to
Yeah.
you.
Another if you left, come the man. So make his skin out so like Frank. Oh, make his skin out like Frank so. Who next? Who next? Who next? You, Emma, go. Go, Lily, go. Come on, man. One on the dive, man. Because selector is nice. Selector disturb them. They don't get captured, yeah. Dive.
Ladies, the whole community the pay name check take back a long time.
Sure, on the one time, come. I said, what's that? What's that? Emma, your turn. So sorry, y'all want that jump. Cuties, we're trying to go the camera today. Let's see. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna see, okay? We don't know if it's set up right. They're gonna die. Turn on the camera here just in case the camera here not work.
With MyTrade, you can go long or short on NASDAQ.
Yeah, and sometimes it's a ride for everything.
Let's go!
Jump.
Ladies,
Move it and then.
leopard.
We want it. I look so cute. They come from 3, 2. You can.
Ask me a roll up and down in your house.
One.
Video one.
Where you want to do? You have to hold it so, Emma. Cuties, did you see that? Big diver. Big diver on here.
Boy, they tell her happy Mother's Day. But you're blocking. You call up a private number. When answer. Tell him no.
Are you staying love, baby? Why you not coming here, water?
When mom stress me on.
If you like pina colada.
I gave him a girl. Okay?
Where you at?
Clean. Okay. Go. Your pony cleaner. Your house cleaner. Arm no greener. Bed no leaner. You have your man from you about 18. If you know you're something good, you just scream. Listen, because the girl will come out single, but I'm going to come out with the woman in my prayer. What you say? What you say?
What's the big dive on? What's the big dive on? What's the big dive on?
Jesus Christ, when mom stressed me on.
I was tired of my lady. When we get
Give me that. When we go on that water, it's sweet.
I'm gonna keep it clean. All right. Go.
You know what actually?
Your house clean.
Really and truly look like my father.
Bed no lean. You have your man from you.
No, it's only for Uncle Kill. The Uncle Kill. Be the Uncle Kill.
What's the big dive on?
Uncle Kill. Uncle Kill.
Leopard, the man of the left come back. Clap a million block in the ear.
Come there.
One pink battery, reach it to me. In the dark, man. Come up.
It's when I link me. I said, shock about Mother's Day. I said, face and me have a party in Portland around park.
This bad.
4-hour drive. Because you're no man mascot.
What?
Don't know about no quick and you go.
Never.
You're ready, girl, at your
Right, Joe.
and because you're not scrape at me.
Never.
Because you're not dash your belly.
Yo, when I'm not selector, yeah. What's coming, sir?
Give me up.
Yeah, my friend, what's your baby? Going up by the bar on the river. So let's give you a quick preview of how Mama River is set up. Here we go. And this is a little shop on the riverside. Yeah. Oh, this is where you come to chill and have a nice drink. Cool, cool, cool. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Hey man, a good official settings, man. When you're in a shop, you can see the entire river. Around here is very nice. Alright, I can see what them are doing with the kitchen. Look at this. Yeah, my general. My first born, you don't know the thing come down with up on the river. Yeah. Meat and season of pan, so. Fireside. Yeah, man, we're ready, man. We're prepared for this. That's sun. Mommy don't live there no more. She don't live there no more. Yeah, yeah. So, that's what telling you. A nice little hiding secret spot round at the back of one part where y'all can come and hang out and have a good day. People is always back and forth. It's a nice little spot. Y'all have a lot of fun here. Here's some new company on the river. Yeah, man, never give out the phone. Your friend them must have your white monster. Mommy, you're not you can't conquer. Okay, I'm a quiet. Sorry, it's too language, yeah.
Why you stick around with him, Salah? What on?
What's on your phone? You're going through my phone? It was on your phone. 2 months now. Since you traded, I tap yes or no.
Sorry, baby. Yeah. Dicky, what go on like him about Dicky? You know same favor and father, guys? The favor you put about it now? Come to you, right? Could you season up? Chicken back. A curry. No, brown. What? No aisle? A good thing about stew, you don't need aisle. For the curry now, then you have to fry the curry, but you don't need no aisle, man, you're good. Bust the back now, look at it. Twin.
Yo, my favorite meat cooking, chicken back.
We don't know which chicken back is my favorite of Jamaica.
Season up already.
Season, you must season though.
I jerk it.
What kind of jerk?
So if I don't catch it?
I let me say, could I go and make the wood catch? You know what you do?
Well, look at you can't cook.
What you do? I went to move, man. This thing cut here now, virgin.
The man say me can't cook.
I'm lazy, you don't want to cook on the yard, man.
I'm for cook on the yard today.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm chef. You're a personal chef. You talk fuck up the go me a personal chef. Go fuck with no.
I cook around here so every day I cook around here so I can't cook. I can't cook.
So from today we're going to have your personal can.
No, I'm a cook when we go to river. As from today. As from today, every time we go to river, I'm the chef. Yeah, love that.
We bring the pure look at these. I can't write back name, you know. I can't write, you know.
A sunburn it name, but can't write.
It's easy, not right.
But you never know if it's good.
You want to be good? You good? And I carry the power.
I pick it, pick and put on.
You know the car?
To be. Cut the pear and look on it then. See knife there?
From now?
I don't know if we can throw it away.
From now, because we don't want a praise for it.
Yeah, and then we'll look and know it's not good.
Alright, I'm going to go. Cut stiff though.
On the limit the bad old panda area, yeah? Box. Yeah.
Smell good too.
Come let me tell you, cuss it.
Again?
Taste it.
That mean
No,
we
look
can
at me taste it. You taste it.
I say pure fire sweet.
You know, pick
I
one of
firm
them.
though. You don't get an oily taste though.
No,
We need to pick the rest of them then,
Yes, I
man.
can.
Alright.
But I try push your mouth.
That me a talk about you want to put the knife in my mouth.
But you want your mouth so wide. Take time. It's bad, you're freak. I mean, let's see it. Come here, I pick out the rest of them. As we reach
As we reach up, pick the whole of them.
And now make the man again. No.
As we reach, pick them.
Never did a beer. I mean, I don't eat them.
Light the fire. Boy, chicken well brown. I don't know chicken.
What?
Just start guy brown and pretty.
now take 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, got my liquor that?
Meat that done.
No, my one this year and down there.
Oh.
Shabbat level more ask them a serious question. Ladies who can't hear me. Ladies who can't hear me. I'm going to ask you a question. Between man or woman, who give one more?
Man.
Ladies between man or woman, who give one more?
Man.
I'm going to come over here, so. Ladies between man or woman, who give one more?
Man.
I'm going over here, so. Wait. Ladies between man or woman, who give one more?
Man. Cuties between man and woman, who give one more? No, who give one better? Woman. Woman give one better, but man give one more. Yeah, man, select here now.
But you know, say six brother chicken come like nothing.
They look at chicken though.
This come like nothing though.
I forget to get enough gravy. A good thing, a dumpling.
Yeah, so you don't want enough gravy with the dumpling. So if you get that 2 pieces of chicken back,
enough gravy, you're good.
You're sitting the dumpling in that blood clot gravy. Yeah, see you.
For my voice to be heard.
Real wood fire style. Say that now.
One of them have everything.
Yeah.
Eh? Say bad? Rain are coming, dog. I want a nice still, but like how to set up right now.
Wood fire look hard to catch though.
Open a free demo from Scenic.
But don't leave or nothing.
Withdraw income with no
I barely lean for the
Yo,
sound.
I'm a Muslim step up a while ago, let me see where.
Yeah, fine, please. Yeah, go on this and see. It's going to be our copy when we put this in the basket. I can't stay up here. One going to water, me get hot.
Lovely, don't play. I just sing.
What is that? You'll be there.
And 2 weeks in this?
What time you bring to?
I'm a punch that.
From what day, I love the girl, I love peace. But I love the toxic girl from what day, you know. Me and you feel no argument here, stand up over me with a hot pot of iron and say, hey boy, look how me gonna kill you.
Bro, the R. Kelly sing that?
I want your body to the very last drop.
First time, man.
No, the must say want your body to the very last drop. Who can love you like me? Only am I.
Hey, fresh one, that piece of red vice last.
Hey,
Put this bottom. Kick out your foot, cause you no man must go.
ball it up, no man no kicking at your goat. Yeah.
Chicken patty, watch ya.
I feel chicken patty. Take it up, meat it now. You not cook it?
Chicken patty?
Yeah, you cook already?
Want it?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Put it on put it away, sir. Put it on the plastic there.
Chicken patty out. Don't eat chicken butter.
We don't need to eat it. Me alone, we eat all of them. Yes, they only they cook, Scooby. Only they cook, try one.
Oh, babe, when I eat chicken patty, let me try. You know what I forgot to buy?
What?
Irish potato. No, chicken patty in there, you know?
Maybe it needs to, it's all good still.
Yeah, it does one boil up. Well, this pot name.
What is pot name?
Chicken pot.
Do you know if them chicken patty you cook? You know if they cook?
I'm frying them first.
Oh, you fry them first?
I'll leave them.
Aisle?
Most times fry them first.
Oh, chicken about the aisle.
Oh. They clean though?
You don't find them? You find the onion them? Look at you make onion and roll in summer, man.
That may I say?
Onion them not gonna know where you have to
Yo,
them.
guess if I get it, is it this? This scale? Eh?
No. The bag where the yam and something them in now.
Where yam there?
That me I tell you, no bag, no come here with no yam and no, I just the season the two.
Them in your car, Scooby.
That me I tell you, no.
General, you know where them there? In the back.
You know something that I pull it up me and say, yo, the Lord and tell me say rain and so.
Yes.
In the front.
In the back. And take the two jagger. The two jagger in my year one.
Alright.
In the front. That's why you like chunk me to put them there.
Come here, him come about Irish. Me I say Scooby with Irish there. No, not
You bring the Irish yam and the banana.
Here they are banana.
Yam and banana.
Yo, put the pot over here, son, man. Press up over here, son, man. Then go and cook, brother. Cause the pot, everything for there on one time, dog. Come let me get this, dog. Yeah, man. Cause that's the least, man. Yeah. And put on the water with the time, dog. When we have to cook fast. Look at this. Dumpling shine a pot that spin over already, dog. Am I looking at oh, you can't run that. Yeah? Yeah.
Marato.
I need from yesterday.
You know if I yesterday, Scooby?
Meet yesterday.
Take your big belly out of my vision.
And I can't take with your mouth. All the way I come with your mandolin and things. I don't like with your mouth.
But the belly now we want to take your heart. Take your
My belly get flat, me a pump up iron. My belly big on this last year, my belly a go down.
You see my pump up iron? Look for more.
So more?
Look at more there.
Chicken batty?
How come you cook with chicken batty them?
Eh?
How come you cook with them?
How come I cook with them?
Yeah?
Chicken patty and at all. Yeah. Everything like that.
Yo, that food a must, but a long time we don't cook on fire.
Some other girl has a good man called the follow the front door, let's go on. Ladies, I must see out the lead. No make no girl see.
Scooby use your fingernail and take out them things something.
Blood clot, that's what they said in town. You have to name them carry pear with a feather.
A feather?
You know if his name is Oche. And then long up in night.
Long up in night.
Feather them? Can your knife have a good to catch him, you know? You catch fire. Show you water in the pot, man. Oh, you have a season in this?
Share season in that.
No. But then they can go in now and look at it.
Nah, I go use up my onion.
Oh.
Oh.
People have understand to have bush cooking this. Bush. Show us what the much of it now.
The girl in have one pick, put up one pick on the machine. The man in have two pick, put up
Indeed, come up that.
two pick, 3 finger. 4 baby, 4 finger. The girl in love.
Oh, you expect it to go?
You mud the pot already?
That me I go do.
No, me I say if you mud that one day.
Nah, come on.
Oh.
It done thick and black.
It look like him not find the bag either.
You find it, man.
So what the banana there? He left the banana and the yam?
Oh, everything will come out, man.
The man take out the onion.
No, I'm going to take out the banana and the yam too.
The man go this one third time?
Everything will come out, Charlie.
I know some girl that can't go look for one. You wouldn't know. You know what it is?
Huh?
Oh, you have to go and see together.
Yeah, I wonder why paper them the way you bring, you know. I mean, just there vex, you know, I say.
What kind of pot without pepper?
But you and the boy see together.
Oh, the third time the boy got this so.
Huh?
Pick up the girl and put the man to me. You don't squeeze him bump and then put the top of the car.
No, man. I think that's it, good man.
Some girls say man love them. I want them black the boy never seen a tapas on them house yet.
You know me not laugh for that selector, yeah?
Brown top of the play with it, you know? Huh? That brown top of the play with it.
That can't.
So
You need to rest that and mud the pot. Make Scooby go and clean that. Yes, Scooby, go and help him. Get the season them ready.
Stay for 5 minutes until we put that something.
Hey, this is number way. Huh? I'm out there, go out that now. When they there, sir?
You've been on my mind.
What did they? In the run at the back of the... Somebody could have walked around this, but this is fine. Cuties might make some mud. For who don't know. If you're not Jamaican, when you use pot wood fair, you have to mud it so that the pot no spoil. Because if you get like too black, it can't come off. Ready? Yeah. So I make some mud and then mud the pot. And then that to keep the pot safe. Okay, Miss Johnny is jerking because I know you'll be like, oh no, I'm gonna shut my pot. I had no share of it nice, you know.
She called me and I said no.
Do you my pot that up on the wood fire? I saw them I shot my things them.
Start with a good relationship now.
Yeah, I did.
This is what you've been hiding?
I want to squeeze.
If I had to get
You're gonna turn the way there. What you mean, Virgin?
Get rid of them seeds and I will start peel the banana them down.
Mix up, get up, you need a bag, put all that rubbish them. So like it there. So we can't get some ice. Where you go? I don't know where you know.
Everybody, let's go!
To the shadows of my feet. I just wanna
Friday, I'm not sleep last night. I'm a day after that. People ask me to make that how you do. I said, look down for the other videos. So far, I got back to the street for you. But you see, because of that, I came to the mission. If you're doing this, I'm gonna go little.
Go your coat. Nasty. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Birdie is too warm up. Glory, hallelujah. Every praise.
Sweet can't get you. If you want to pick the money, I'll take you out of there. Raise your hand, raise up the glasses. Lift it up. Lift it up. Come on. Push up. Everybody, let's go. Let me tell you what Father God do for me in a real life. I can't tell you this. Come on, let me turn it up and let's sing.
Come on, now,
let them sing. Sing again. Because what?
Come on.
Welcome to your house. First station. Everybody, let's go. Ready? this to me.
Come on,
She's up. Oh my God. In a real life, Father God, if he loves me, let me tell you what's going on in our life. Come on, here. All of the people that go for the elections. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let me tell you this about ladies. Sometimes you left the drunker and the drunker don't want to take the left. Him call your father, him call your mother, him call your auntie and say, Miss Daddy, please tell her if you're back with me. If you know you're not.
We all labor rights are beating bad.
What you waiting next year when the new roll up? Oh, you're better. If you drive too fast, you get ticket. If you have your hand over, you get ticket. If you are eating like car, you get ticket. If you are drinking, you get ticket.
And now you're a car, you get nothing.
Not
clean to walk one.
And the one is too blood like cripple.
Not
Very.
Ladies, let me ask you a question. What on? I'm Michelle.
What the rough road? Spread out down here.
Let's go!
The kids are going to water. We're going to the kitchen. Dumpling reaching that pot. Banana in there too. Where this at? Okay. Cuties in the see how the pot get black. If that never more the trouble.
Talk to the people and ask them if they know see. You want a nice Jamaican man?
You ask them. Can look
a year.
No, you want a woman? You look a woman? You show your girlfriend now go see this some box down your backside? Huh? You know one girlfriend when you see you tap on the phone last night I tried to one woman. Then she call you 10 times for the day most, your woman. Hungry back, yo. Hungry back, yo. We never want a banana. Alright, you can't name rice, sir. Every day she talk about rice. I couldn't name rice again.
Do you not eat the food last night? When the rice and chicken bamboo, do you not eat?
I mean, in plate never big like usual.
No more never did it.
Everybody belly back, everybody run up. Don't resent. But eat chips now, not eat chips and then some of them. Yeah. Hungry. Box size. Listens. I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home. And I tried and tried. It was on my mind. You should have known. I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. You made of me. I follow the voice you think you gave to me. Maya, you should have listened. Cuties, y'all enjoy that? Yes, karaoke and cooking at the same time. I know. Why do you come here? I want one this. Bumper birdie reach too. Birdie, I forgot to eat one snack. Till the pot done. Drink the food done. But look at the water on that way. Alright, do your thing, me I go back. We'll go back down there, so. Right, I will come back up here, food set done. What bun? Where do we be before I say? You give on, you not sell it. But I'm going to show you two-face. I'm going to show you two-face, let me tell me. Look on the face, look at me. Look at me. They're going to show them how you're your father favor. Bumble clean. A twin rotted. You don't see birdie none at all. Nicky come and show them here. I don't know how you pay the favor, so. But there, a twin thing. A twin something. Y'all see that, guys? The favor, you frig. Sorry, I never get for sure to share father good. Hopefully when me edit, look at the get a good clip of him. Rotted. I like it. They here say food ready. I'm going to have part there.
I might boil the part there, medium.
Oh, not good. This is crazy.
Bring the fork for me.
Thank you. Ooh. One fork now this Zoe. Wait, smell right now, I know it tastes good.
Emma.
What plate there? Brother, give me a plate.
Sorry.
Can you plate a stream or you want gravy? You want the gravy? Yep. Where you want what? Bird Dickie asked your father if he wants some food. Hey?
Birdie, what is it? Birdie.
Trying to build a drop in today.
Ladies, are you ready? Oh my God.
Eh? I put it as a shaper?
Yeah.
But life never stopped there, so.
Because they have to go give him family them.
But as a fear, as a gold, I think I'm a fear.
But me, I see them, I tell them to put the damn fear there.
Your body.
Emma, your dumpling cut, you good?
Hey, man, you have bad luck.
Yeah.
Fire thing.
You dumpling cut? You are. Talk? How are you buying? Oh, bad though. Tell them couldn't do a good job, man. You're too bad. For food, no nice. Zoe look like she'll take her next dumpling. No, Zoe? Zoe wants her next dumpling, eh?
When look at you coming in the yard, I cook out a door upon the wood fire.
Look at this. Anytime we go river, Emma cook. I love that.
Anytime look at you in the yard, you can't cook some wood.
Don't it? So wood fire and can cook pan.
Fire.
Use one extra. Oh, yeah, use one already. Wait, Zoe, where your plate there? Oh, you think about your more plate. Dumpling the fish on one more?
Like gizzard. We fry it.
Hey, never come back, man. Just put in the yam.
And the yam cook already?
The yam cook already. You have to eat.
Fly in Jamaica,
I know, blood clot this. That's in your outfit. I'm put this here, sir.
Until when I family I eat, nobody don't make nice.
Oh, you made them make nice.
But
You already said the chicken box off like gizzard. I never hear that one day yet.
I would fire cook it.
Yeah, you know gizzard here. I was going here much matter.
You can't tell yourself. I'll pick up them period. I'm now make broad man get one bomb.
What's right over here?
What? Look here, man.
That one nice.
Right, let's go to carry out here.
Hey!
Where is it?
Yeah, it's a tour.
Eh?
Yeah, it's a tour. Just tell me what's good.
Man, the stove of an eye, man.
We're not buying no more coal.
No more coal. Just tell me what's the color. Yeah, man, maybe like.
Where is it? Me can't survive.
Let's sell off, brother.
You see me get piece of bitter yam a while ago.
Fine.
Tastes like turkey.
Rub it, look at yourself. So I want more food. Andrew one. Take our next ton.
You belly full?
Food, then man, what is for food?
Emma, you want one more dumpling? Look at the belly, want to get full already?
Yeah, so I have some.
Am I on more dumpling?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure you're in here? I thought you were food on this, sir? I can't come back. Yeah, man, look at the dumpling in there, man.
I don't come here, sir.
Can I want chicken batty?
After I roll and I'm saying I take it up.
You want? I eat it up, you want it? I want to eat my yam. Look at the guy we go for the stop there and get food.
Yeah. You get food?
Is there anyone want more dumpling too?
Mm.
Because I will only have enough.
I like it.
You can't feed that yard there.
What? I take everything now.
Now me tell school buy 5 full of flour. By
2 pounds of flour?
4 pounds, me tell him buy. And the man said, no, sorry, come now.
Right here.
Chicken back down, birdie. Just say, put the rest over in the pot, yeah. Birdie.
Just fling over all the dumpling and banana in it. Put that piece there in my plate, because I'm not here to get the banana in it.
Listen, everybody get one of it?
Yeah.
You sure?
So the water out there. What do you mean, please?
The blackbird can't take it nothing more. I mean, I can't do the rule of the rest.
Give me a piece more yam now. Give me a little piece down there.
The blackbird is really full.
Because they can't take it no more.
The belly full barely.
But don't cut them for you?
How piece I am?
Give me more cup dumpling for Riverside.
Hold the plate.
Can't say they want to cut the dumpling.
Listen.
It's over.
I want to know just a bite so. How much of spoon?
Today, as a grown you pick up it here. Yeah, tell me that.
Just come here.
Yo!
A dumpling soup or what one you so?
You feel like me alone, you take off
Video
this.
that one day. Video that
What one you so?
day. That one day
Yo,
for video.
every king is soaking, okay?
Take a plate for me and cover the pot. What you see I put in your plate?
Man, I want you. I work this, you know.
Leave meat in there now.
Anybody wants some belly big talk today? Me not give
So
up.
we have float plate for me and go around with my food.
Amy, you going the food?
You pull up my plate for.
Just eat where you eat, man. At Jamaica you come. It's good. Can you go like you can't eat it after that? I can't take with you. You're going like you know eat off things.
You can't eat off it one time.
So the cutie them say you can't eat it.
Them know me can't yam.
You eat pure ramins.
Bumbo.
Eat dumpling now. You want more chicken back?
Oh, you tell us that we ram safari alone.
So I can't get a chicken back, I can't get.
What is birdie? Come in like you.
That squeeze me.
Me not just give birdie plate. Give me a plate, birdie.
I want my food from going in the water and come out back in the
Oh, yeah, go back in the. Oh, sorry.
Go back in the water.
I'm not going to go back in the water. I don't want to sing a bomb buckler. Hey, let me go back in the water. I'm going to sing.
What birdie are you with graphic? You know belly full? What's that we say?
Zoe, nobody dash your dumpling them, you know. Oh.
Yeah, ask some more for what your food is, though.
Come, drink the gravy.
Hello, me eat 3 dumplings, 2 pieces of yam and 2 bananas already. And this I'm after. So man, come up back with the one.
How much food do you think we are going to eat?
Alive.
Guys, Uncle Kill say we should drink the gravy because it's good for we.
I like that.
I that him just.
Isle.
I got him just say.
No island of this birdie.
Look at that, no good for them drink.
They're young.
Gravy,
No, you don't
pea
want that.
salt or something. I think you can cut up the dump. No man, you can't survive in this life.
Are you fucking stuff
More
out
dumpling there.
No, can't never go bad. Can I ask you like you eat?
We're going to go in the water shortly. We're going to drop a steam and come in and make you.
Birdie, if you don't stay too long, you're singing.
Sing on what? Hey, man, take cover. Hey, I want to say.
Am I plate empty?
And you know how long shot you know?
Emma, you like
Come
one more
here
dumpling?
back.
Emma?
Watch her.
Yeah, more dumpling, Emma? Young, okay.
Just close the vex because we don't know what it's how we do a while ago.
Our mosquitoes are
Come in our back.
When you car for?
I feel like something.
Next time we
I'm
know.
going to keep biting until it busts the skin.
I told Birdie I was sipping the plate and that's what she makes.
No, because when you're done,
Birds make it better than both of you.
And you, when you talk about
Oh, yeah.
today, they clean out the plate. Oh, long as you
And
that way.
that big star.
then you clean the plate.
You always have to say some outrageous thing.
Then I wish you do.
You tell lie. You have to say me eat 5 dumplings.
No, Scooby say, Zoe, look, I should have eat one more, so I can make 5.
That would make 5. A 3 dumplings me eat.
I think I need
I tell you,
A 3 dumplings me eat in all.
no, we get 3 birds and then 2
and then 2 after.
No,
A 2-year girl. No, 2-year girl.
A 2-year girl.
2-year girl.
Me no want this way the front of you.
A 2-year girl, man.
Me a 3 dumplings me eat. Me a tell you what me
Alright,
eat.
let's take you make it cheap. I must Emma then.
Let's the next 2 then I put in there.
No, you don't want no more.
The next 2 of them will encounter water.
Hey? After that, in terms of me not like that stuff, I go for it, I'm going to lay down sleep.
I'm hungry again.
You want your ball? I feel food good.
I smoke. I the fucking fire smoke. I guess them eye.
Look at the you make the man a ball, Virgin.
How long time I'm all doing it?
5 dumplings.
Long time. But me there, so me want to have my son water.
No, man. Fucking smoke. Get them eye, man.
Yo!
I've been wondering why my eyes are watery. But don't even know also the food nice.
Food bad.
Então, já estava para outra outra que eu fio. Entendeu?
Yeah. Cause me never see somebody drink gravy yet. Watch out.
You can't go and talk up in the mouth now make nothing waste. But you're belch and you big back into your house and do that. Your house when people like eat your belch. The last time you see me with downstairs me I eat something macaroni something, you belch. Belch it every time you eat, can.
You want me to keep it in? Sorry.
You turn on your mouth?
Sorry.
I never see.
Why while I'm closing myself like a big kid?
You chat to me, take the thing off of me.
I'm not taking none of it. Brother, you hungry already again? You think you're so left when you're done?
Chicken mac sweet boy.
Chicken mac sweet.
Bad. Start cook that chicken mac.
Not Scooby, not even your bad, so. Not even your bad, so. You. Are your chicken back them bad? That chicken back a slap.
I want to slap.
I want to slap. Look at you did a good job.
Anybody want to talk? Just Scooby Belly, me know his pants.
Bad little bit serious, Scooby?
Yeah, getting
my dumpling
bad.
ain't gone long. 6?
5.
A 6 you gone. 6 dumpling that, Scooby.
Besides chicken.
6 dumpling in it. Eh? Well, Scooby, why you in on my plate? No worry yourself, my food are free. My food are free. Me eat. When I go in the river and come back up, I go hungry. Better not go beg. I watch it.
Yeah, watch the camera. I'm going to leave the camera.
Oh, you not go on when I go? You know, you and come back.
Next week, I come around and make you cook again.
Mickey, why you not sell food on the river? Look at it. You want me to come and watch them up? In that thing, them watch out better.
You put up 2 fingers.
Yo, nice.
Come on, Lily, come on, you can do it. Well, we'll come off at the hard part. Battery dead. Alright. Cuties, newbies, what's up? We are home. I'm about to go take a fresh. I'm hot. You can't believe me. It's just up onto the river. I'm hot. But yeah, the ear wet. You're gonna try dry it, beard, and then yeah, that is it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Cuties, don't forget to like the vlog. Remember our deal, okay? I'm gonna keep reminding you guys our deal. For every watch, I need a like. Please, just like the video, hype up the video. Get in the phone, hype up the video. I want a comment, okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for spending the day with us. Bye.